Hey everybody, got a real quick video, lower motor mount 2010 Dodge Journey. Super easy. There's the motor mount. Look, there's one bolt right there. Goes through the middle. See that little donut looking thing? That's the second bolt right there. And then there's the third one. 3 bolts. There are only 3 bolts to take out, so it's pretty easy. Obviously, jack the transmission up a little bit. I'm sorry, jack the motor up a little bit. Put a block between the jack and the oil pan. Take the weight off of the motor mount and take the 3 bolts out. That's the top view. There's a little tab at the base of the new motor mount. That tab goes towards the front of the car. That's the new one. Super easy. Jack, a block of wood, oil pan. Take the weight off the motor, take the 3 bolts out, take the old one out, put the new one in. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.